What's up, y'all YouTube? Bruh, how y'all been, bruh? Tonight, just gonna record, you know, a chill little drive through the town, you know. I ain't really got no destination for real, but I'm trying to be more consistent and upload more, bro. Like, at least twice as much. So, I was just like, you know, bro, screw it, bro. I'ma just go ahead and pick that camera up and record some videos. So we just chilling tonight. We ain't doing too much, but bro, there been something like I've been thinking about, bro. Like my town for real, where I stay at, bro, it's like so lame, bro. Like in terms of, especially like recording content and shit, bro. Like, this shit's so lame, bro. Cause it's like you ain't got shit going on, bro. Like it ain't really a city. It's more like a town. And this shit just so dull, gang. I ain't even gonna lie to you. So a lot of the times, bro, I be wanting to record. I don't even know like where to go, cause the routes to like get where I want to go, it's just so ass. So sometimes I gotta be like leaving town and shit just to record, bro. Cause one thing I noticed, like recording content and shit, like when I'm driving, bro, I don't want like all empty roads, bro. Cause like, what am I gonna do with that for real? Like I can't do nothing with that shit. I'm not gonna be hitting like 160 constantly on the road, bro. So like, I can't do nothing with like an open road. But like, a lot of the times, like that's all we got down here. So I don't know, bro. It's just weird. I don't know what's going on tonight though. Like tonight seems like a lot more active and stuff than other nights, bro. Like even though it's a Saturday, like even a Saturday still kind of be dead, bro. I don't know. Nah, let's not go that way. You know what? Fuck it, yeah. Let's go that way. Oh, we got fireworks going on. What's going on, bro? I'm telling you, bro, something is up.
What weekend is it? Oh, is that on the beach side?
I don't know. It doesn't look that far. I don't know if y'all can see that, bro, but we got fireworks going off right now. Damn, and we got 3 cops back to back right here, bro. Like, what's going on, bro?
Seriously.
They're the fireworks. But yo, them boys be hating on me recently, bro. Like, bro, I got 3 tickets in 1 month, bro, and they all for bullshit. Like this man gave me a ticket talking about I was allegedly going 9 over the speed limit, bro. Like what? What kind of Benz is that? That's interesting.
Got Benz.
Yeah, I don't know what kind of Benz that is though. Damn, these niggas lights bright. Damn, nigga, can turn my high beams on too. Hold up. But yeah, bro, we really gotta chill, cause I don't know, bro. Them boys be hating on me. Got KFC, bro. Y'all fuck with KFC, bro? Cause I don't know, gang. Like where I'm from, KFC usually be bust, but I don't know. It ain't really the shit up here. Bro, who the fuck is this coming up that close behind me, gang? Like, god damn. Yo, this car be so fun, bro. Like, oh shit. Got them boys on the block. Just act like you don't see him. What are the odds of some cops waiting for me at the end of this bridge, bro? The city is pretty when it's there, just like a flower. Ooh. Y'all know I got them vocals. Okay then. Bro, why my phone keep lighting up, bro? Like you trying to tell me something? This the burner phone, bro. You ain't never get no attention. Now you trying to act up. Like, come on now. Like, I don't know what's going on tonight, bro. Yeah, everything just feel bright. I don't know. I don't know. Maybe it's because I'm a homebody. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all, bro. Ooh. It's a nice Z06, a C8. Rocking DRLs now. I hope I don't get in trouble. Ooh, great timing. Take it through the club. It's 10. I ain't seen no cops down here really. Maybe it's when it's late they come out.
The club was up.
What about it?
The club was up.
Up? Yeah. If it was like open?
I don't know. I don't
It should be.
know.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking though. Maybe everybody's inside. I don't know. Sit it right here. Ah, fucking hell. Ah, wrong. Talk about the wrong turn. Please don't say anything about my lights. Oh no! Yeah, that's I feel like that's an undercover too. Damn, I guess I asked for him. I got him. God damn, I can't even complain, bro. Shit crazy. Let me get my black ass off this road. Shit crazy. God damn. Let me tell you something. God damn. I need gas. How these new gas prices been treating y'all, bro? That shit been kicking my ass. Yeah. The Brap, huh? Yep. Yeah, I feel like I'm. Damn, that boy got that truck camped or something?
See the guy that was just walking that way?
Yeah.
He had a gun on him. He had two.
Oh yeah? Shit, that man might trying to slime somebody out tonight. Got a dip. God damn. Who hit it? Did this motherfucker just hit it and walk past, bro? God. is party night tonight, y'all. Shit. Now when I speak bad about it, now they want to act like they want to pop out. This shit ain't never this active unless it's like a real event going on, bro. I ain't even gonna lie to you. I don't know why I've been feeling for like seafood recently. I feel like, cause I think I seen like a TikTok or some shit. This nigga like, he spilled all his seafood boil in the car.
Oh, I would have ate it. I feel like you only want seafood because I can't eat seafood right now. Yeah.
What's over here? Land Shark Bar and Grill. Let's go take a look. Why you said that?
Because I see what you saw.
Never know, huh?
You never know. I've never seen this before.
Yeah, I don't know. Feels like a new place, bro. Appreciate that, bro.
Just kiss.
Are they crossing? I'm on a map, black scatter my Mac. I'm looking for hack, it's gone. You better take that bet, let's run that bet. You done did me wrong. 3 on my fault, but a fall of 50. Remember when this used to be our favorite ice cream place?
Yeah.
Well, mine at least. I don't know about you.
But now we don't have an ice cream place.
Yeah, for real.
Well,
trying to race? No? Okay.
and if they lose, they're gonna call the police and say you a speeder.
Gee, I wouldn't be surprised for real.